But what's crazy is some of the tests can actually be up to $90. Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 per hour, even up to $90 using apps online. This can be done via your phone, tablet, or computer, whichever you choose. And be sure to watch through to the end of the video where I'll provide a tip showing you how you can use this method worldwide. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like watching content about making money online and growing online businesses, then please take some time to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. So let's get into it. We're going to be going over 5 different tools that you can use to make some money free and easy. It's pretty cool and exciting that you can test websites and apps and earn up to $30 per hour, sometimes even more. And I know this sounds crazy and probably too good to be true, but I'll hop onto the computer and show you in a moment. I have researched these extensively, and they are legit and have numerous reviews and real life cases of people making some good money. In this video, I'm going to be working through the tools from option 5 all the way through to option 1. After showing these to you, I have no doubt that you're going to go through and sign up to all of them, giving you the maximum opportunity to make the most amount of money. So let's hop onto the computer now and go through each one of them. All the tools mentioned in this video, you'll see the links in the description below to access each one of them. Option 5 is enrollapp.com. When going to their website, you'll be presented with a page like this. You'll be able to sign up with your email and password and enroll. You'll then be one of their testers once you've done that. If you scroll further down, you'll see here that you're able to take tests anywhere and you're able to use any device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or desktop, whichever one you prefer. You'll collect badges based on the number of tests that you do, and in order for you to get compensated for each test, you'll need to have yourself a PayPal account, and then you'll get paid for every test that you've done to that PayPal account. As you can see with their motto, it's be heard, not part of the herd. So essentially you just providing your thoughts about any app or website that they use, and they will then take into account whatever feedback you give and pay you for that feedback. Option 4 is Userfeel.com. Once going through to Userfeel.com, you'll see this page. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see that there's over 110,000 qualified testers, over 200 plus happy clients. So those are the clients that you'll be testing their websites and apps for. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see in this carousel the list of the 200 organizations that they deal with. And these are massive brands, as you can see here. In order to become a tester on Userfeel, you'll go through to the top right corner here where it says become a tester. Click on that. You'll then come to this page. It says here become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. So if you do 3 tests and it takes you 20 minutes, you're now earning $30 in that hour. If it takes you 10 minutes per test and you're earning $10 per test, you can earn up to $60 per hour on this website. You can then go through this page, scroll through it, watch the videos, read the information here. It gives you a lot of information around it before you even sign up to become a tester. The do's, the don'ts, what equipment you might need, showing you that you need a PayPal account for each of your tests that you need to be paid for. And on Userfeel, you'll see that you can even choose Amazon gift cards if you don't have a PayPal account. So it does give you a nice option there. Once you've gone through all the information on the page and read the details there, you get to the bottom of the page and you click on become a tester, or there's a link here saying register and take the qualification test. Option 3 is TryMyUI.com. When you get to TryMyUI.com, you'll be presented with this page. You'll see at the bottom of the page, it'll show companies that they work with, and those are the people you'll be doing tests for. In order for you to sign up as a tester, you go to the top area here where it says get paid to test. So you select that. You'll then come to this registration page. You'll see there's a bit of detail here. So it says things like use the test website exactly as you would in real life and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience. So what you'll do is you'll either install apps on your phone and test things via that, or you'll be doing it via your web browser on your computer. Either way, you'll be going through a full interface of the app or the website that you need. And as you're working through every element on the site, you'll be voicing your opinion saying, I like this, I don't like this needs to change, this is silly, why do they have this here? Okay, this makes sense, I like this area of the website or app. Pretty much voice any thought or frustration that you have so that they can better understand how to change their site or their app for a better user experience. You'll then get paid $10 for every test that you take, and it's approximately 20 minutes per test. It says here there's no limits for the number of tests that you can do, and if you scroll a bit down, you'll see that you get paid through PayPal. All you need to do is fill in your details over here, provide your PayPal email address, and submit your application form. Once you do that, you then go and choose the applicable tests that you can do, work through those, and earn some money. Before we continue, if you're liking the idea of making money while testing apps and websites, then comment down below, yeah baby. And if you don't feel like commenting, then please hit that like button and turn it blue. Option 2 is Usertesting.com. So when coming through to their site, if you scroll through their site, you'll see that there's some massive companies here that you'll be doing tests for. So these large companies that are on this website are companies such as Walmart, Capital One, Facebook, Quip, Domino's, Grammarly, etc. These are huge companies. And they're the type of companies that do so many changes to their websites, to their apps, so that they can give the user the best experience possible. And in order for them to do so, they then pay people like yourself to go through and test all elements of their website or their app and provide the best feedback and most honest feedback possible. So in order for you to now become a tester on this website, you'll go to the top here where it says get paid to test, select that. The next page is where it'll provide a bit more information and you're able to register to become a tester. So you'll provide your email address here and click apply. But if you scroll further down, it just gives you a summary or overview of what they offer. So you'll sign up, you'll take tests by providing feedback on the products that you love and use today, such as your Facebook, etc. And you can earn $10 for every 20-minute test that you take, and even more for interviews. So if there are interviews, they'll probably pay you more than $10. If you scroll further down, again it lists a few more companies that you didn't see on the first page, such as CBS, Adobe, Ford, etc. And it shows some really high numbers here. Over 3 million tests taken, over 1.2 million payments made out in 2019 alone, and over 35,000 brands that have been influenced by the feedback provided by yourself. So sign up and get your piece of the 1.2 million payments being done every single year. Alright, so we got to our final one. Option 1 is Userlytics.com. When you go through to Userlytics.com, this is the page you'll come through to. If you scroll a bit further down, you'll see the clients that they are working with. It's Google, Trivago, Microsoft, Dunkin' Donuts, EasyJet, Canon. I mean, the list is just crazy. It's massive companies with a ton of money to spend, and spend it on you guys going through and testing their apps and websites. So in order for you to get involved, sign up and become a tester, go through to the top right corner here where it says here, tester sign up. Select that. On the sign up page, it provides you an overview step by step of what you need to do. So fill out a short and easy form on this page to join their community. Interact with web or mobile apps. Again, while working through any type of digital asset for these clients, you speak your thoughts and emotions out loud, providing the best and honest feedback for each of these companies. You'll then get paid via PayPal. So each test, depending on what the test might be and the length of time it is, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 as their key one here. But what's crazy is some of the tests can actually be up to $90. So not $5 to $20, but $90 per test. And if these tests take you 10 minutes to do and you earn $90 for that test, can you imagine what you can earn if you can possibly hit multiple of those within an hour period? It really can add up exceptionally quickly. What's great about this website as well is you only have to be 16 years or older to take part in these tests and earn money. Whereas most other sites, you have to be 18 years or older. So place your email in here, confirm your age, agree to the terms and conditions, and then start making some money doing these tests. With these 5 tools, you can see that it's a great way, a great side hustle to earn some extra money, and it's very simple and easy to do. So if you've got a little bit of time to spare, this is a great way to earn some good money. And you're also probably thinking to yourself, why do these companies do this? But just to give you an overview of why they would do it. All these companies have to cover a massive spectrum of things to get all their websites and apps correct. Make sure that they're working correctly and giving the best possible user experience for everybody using that app or website. These cover multiple devices, whether it be a phone, a tablet, or a computer, all the way through to different makes and models of devices and operating systems, such as iPhone with iOS or Samsung with Android. Getting people like yourself to sit and test their platform, their apps, and all the new developments that they're doing is the quickest and easiest way for them to get the best and honest feedback so that they can make all the necessary changes on their apps and websites so that you have the best experience possible. And in turn, they're willing to give you a good amount of money for that honest feedback. So this is a side hustle that should not be overlooked by anyone. Here is a tip as promised in the beginning of the video. Some of these tools may only allow testers in particular countries. So in order for you to bypass this, the best way to do it is using a VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network. So it allows you to choose a particular country and it'll show an IP address as if you're in that country. And depending on the VPN you choose, you can even narrow it down to a particular state or city. If you don't currently have a VPN, I would suggest maybe searching for a free VPN. There are a number of them out there. Personally, I wouldn't go for a free VPN as some of them are very limited in features and capabilities. The one I've been using for a number of years, it is a paid version, is called NordVPN. I'll give a link in the description box below. If you are looking for a premium VPN with a great price attached to it, I would suggest NordVPN. And if you check out their current special at the moment, you'll be able to get a 2-year deal at 68% off, and then on top of that, you'll get an additional plan. So this is at random. If you scroll further down, you'll be able to get an additional 1 month, 1 year, or 2-year plan on top of the 2-year plan that you've just purchased. So this is a great one to do so, and there's not many VPN companies doing something like this. And if there is a VPN to recommend, this is the one I would recommend. There you have it, ladies and gents, an easy way for you to earn around $30 per hour. If you are looking for a simple and easy way to earn a bit of extra money, this is a great method and I recommend that you try it. For further tips, tricks and strategies, check out these videos. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button as it'll really help out this channel, specifically with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Cheers.